Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach the mopping pads onto Philips HOMERUN 2000 series. So there is this plastic pad with the actual mop side and it's detachable, so you can easily detach it and switch it to the other one because it comes with two of them. So to detach it, there's a Velcro. You need to just open it, then slide it out just like that, and then you can switch it to the other one pretty easily. Just slide it in. Okay, and now attach it with the Velcro, and now it's good to go. Now to attach it to the actual robot, at the back, just turn the robot upside down. Then you should see two holes right here, which you can use to attach the robot to this way. So it's not too easy to do that. Maybe I'll do it without the water tank in the robot. So click on this button right here, then flip it over, and now you should be able to easily attach it. Yes, it's right in, and now you can put it in just like that.
Dustbin and water tank removed. Dustbin and water tank installed.
Make sure it's all in place, and now it should start mopping when you enable the mopping in app. And to take it out, I'm gonna also flip it over, then just take it out like that pretty easily. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.